Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. So I found out that I don't have a intro for this video. Here I am from the future, yet again. So I have some pretty exciting news today that you will see. I'm going to be installing the engine and transmission into the Supra. It's super exciting, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's gonna be kind of short. It's mostly gonna be like time-lapse stuff, but it's exciting nonetheless. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Anyways, let's get into it.
She's in there now.
Okay. Now,
Fat ass.
alright guys. I hope you can see this. It's getting dark out and it's getting super stressful right now. So let's hope we can do this. And hopefully you can still see this. Alright guys, after about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, the engine and transmission is actually in the Supra. Holy shit, I'm so excited. It was such a headache trying to get everything lined up, especially those motor mounts. Hopefully you can see them. Yeah, it was such a headache to do. I thought it was just gonna be like 30 minutes or so. Not too bad, but wow, that was insane. But it's in. I still have a lot of work to do ahead of me, and this is the brunt of the work right now. It's in. I have to just pick up some bolts for the transmission mount, and then it's just hooking everything up after that. Hopefully during the whole engine install you could see a good amount of footage. If not, I apologize. It was really hard to shoot. If I was doing this around like noon, it would have been a lot of daylight to do, you know, to have. But yeah, I'm super excited. I can't wait to actually get this thing going. So the next big thing I need to do after I get the transmission and engine actually just mounted in their mounting points, I need to make sure that my drive shaft can work on this transmission. If not, I have to order a new one, and that'll take a few weeks to get it in. But in the meantime, while I can figure that out, I might have to do it tomorrow, maybe Friday. So yeah, anyways, I'll keep you guys updated on that. If you like this video, go ahead, leave a like, subscribe, comment below if you had any other issues that were as bad as this when you put your engine in, or if you're going to do it, comment below. I like to hear from you. Anyways, you guys take it easy.